will terminate except non-legislative matters. Ang sinabi po, all. And what is the meaning of all? Lahat. Wala pong sinabi na yung impeachment ay tuloy. And there are those who will argue bakit yung canvassing, bakit yung electoral tribunal natutuloy nila. There's a reason for that, Karen. Even if you cite the Pimentel versus the National Board of Canvassers case and other cases, this refers to predictable, constitutionally created bodies with constitutional timelines. You have to proclaim before June 30, the president, the vice president after an election. These are predictable. After every presidential elections, it is expected that a canvassing board, national canvassing board, will be constitutionally created. But impeachment, you cannot predict when this body would be created. It comes out of a constitutional necessity. If there are quote-unquote constitutional crimes committed